So let's see how we can add these courses into local storage. We're gonna open again the project, and right after we insert this into the HTML, you can see here we have everything. All the information is going to be added right here. So we're going to call another function that is called, let's add course into storage, something like that. So here we are going to add the function that is going to be called save into storage, and we're going to pass this wall object right here. So we're gonna create this function. Maybe right after we create this one. Add the courses into the local storage. We're gonna create a function. It's going to be called like this, and it's going to take a course as the parameter. So then we're gonna create another function. This one is going to get the contents from storage. So we're gonna create a function, get courses from storage. And this one doesn't take any parameters, but we're gonna do something like this. We're gonna create a function. We're gonna call this one courses. And the same as we did in the last example, we're gonna check if the courses key exists, and if the key doesn't exist, we're gonna create an empty array. So if something exists on storage, then we get the value. Otherwise, create an empty array. This is what this function does. So we're gonna add if local storage. We're gonna call this one courses. In the case that this is equals to null, we're going to add courses as an empty array. In the other hand, we're going to call courses is going to be equals to json.parse, and it's going to be equals to local storage dot get item, and this is going to return the courses. So again, this is going to return the course is courses right here in plural. So courses. So now we're gonna use this function in all the different functions. Starting from here, from the save into courses, we're gonna let courses equals to get courses from storage, like this. So at this point, these courses is going to be an array with empty or with something, but it's going to be an array. So we're going to add the course into the array using courses that push. We pass this course like this, and now we're going to have this as an array. And remember, since storage only saves strings, we need to convert JSON into string. We're gonna use local storage, set item, it's going to be courses, comma, and then we're gonna use JSON that stringify, and we pass the array called courses. So save this, create. Let's add one of these, maybe this one, the first one. Open the console, you can see that there are no errors. Open the application, and now you can see we have courses into the storage. And you can see that we have the image, and we have also the title right here. We have also the price, and we have the ID. So you can see that this is an array, but it's actually an object. So we're saving everything right here. So using this technique, JSON.stringify, you can save arrays, you can save arrays with objects and others. But now you can see that everything is into the storage. I'm gonna remove this, reload, and now you can see that we have all this content right here. So in the next video, the idea is that when we open this for the very first time, we're gonna see the elements in the shopping cart. So let's continue working in the next video.